Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the May 2021 Sew Sampler Box. So if you're new to Sew Sampler Boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They're $24.95 a month, and I will put a link in the description box below this video on where you can get one. You may have noticed that we didn't have an unboxing for last month. That's because they had some supplies that were back ordered. They were waiting for them, so the boxes were delayed. I literally just got my box yesterday, so I'm trying to film today and get this video up for you as soon as I can. So I know it's really late, but there was really nothing I could do about it. And I think the June boxes are actually delayed as well, so that's probably going to be coming hopefully towards the beginning, mid of July, but we'll see. I promise I'll get them up for you as soon as I get my boxes. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the theme for this month, for May 2021, is called Fresh Cut. It's super cute. And then there's actually a free promo code on the back of this that will allow you to get a free gift with purchase of $75 or more. And so you get all three of those things. So it includes the Beehive Enamel Charm, the 3.5-inch Sweet Snips, and the Aqua Stash and Store. So that's super, super cute. And I really wish that I'd gotten this sooner because I just ordered some backing and a bunch of other fabric for a project I have coming up and could have got a free gift. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the block. This is block number 2. This is their monthly block that they're sending out, and this is called the Bright Side Sew Along. This block was designed by Sherry McConnell, and it's super cute and looks really nice and easy. Now this is only block number 2. There are going to be 12 of these coming, so if you get all 12 of your boxes, you can put them together in a fun sampler quilt at the end. So that's really fun. The individual patterns themselves are $4.98, and they come on this kind of cardstocky looking thing. I don't want to show you too much information because the whole pattern is on there, but that's going to be really cute. And let's see, the quilt kit and the Orifil thread pack will be available for purchase soon too, so that'll be really fun. So again, that is block number 2, and it's $4.98. The next thing in my box is this Betty Bridge Supreme, and this is by Steady Betty. This retails for $5.48. It says, stop flipping your lid over flipped seams. The Betty Bridge Supreme by Steady Betty is an adhesive bridge that covers the gap on your sewing machine where the bed meets the needle plate to prevent seams from flipping as you sew along. That sounds like it would be really helpful. It's also printed with useful seam allowances to help keep your seams happy. This is what it looks like up close, and it really is a sticker. It has sticky backing on it, and it looks from the pictures like it stays white, so it's not like a clear acrylic. Now I do think it's kind of funny that for the image for the brochure, they have it shown on a featherweight sewing machine, but then right here on the very front of the Steady Betty packaging, it says not for use on machines with decorative stenciling or painted surfaces. So it says it right here on the bottom as like a little starred note. So even though they have it in this picture, I don't think I'd be putting this on my featherweight because I'd be worried that it would be pulling up that paint, or, you know, I have gold decorative stenciling on my faceplate, so, or not faceplate, but you know, the bed of my machine. So I don't think I'd want to use it on there. I can't say I'm a huge fan of this just right off the bat. I mean, I do have that problem where my machine is pulling through my fabric and it flips my seams the other way. So I see how this would help that. I don't think I like how large it is, the fact that it's white, and the fact that it's sticky like an actual sticker, because I don't like putting stuff that's going to leave a sticky residue on my machine, even though I know I can probably clean it off with like some alcohol or something like that. So I don't know, it's not really my favorite product that I've ever seen, but definitely interesting concept. So the next thing in our box, and this is one of my favorite products, is a mini pack of the Sew Tights by Tula Pink Plus You. These are magnetic heart pins. So it says, bring a piece of Tula Pink's heart into your home with her new Tula Pink Plus You heart pins by Sew Tights. Whatever you're sewing, these adorable, bright magnetic pins can hold it together, from leather to cork to multiple fabric layers for bags and for English paper piecing. So I brought my travel pack, my travel craft to go case. This is a free tutorial on my channel, and I have my little hearts right here on this little flap, and so you can see the magnets on the back. These rectangular ones are also Sew Tights, and so I just have those, so I use them for my English paper piecing. So when you're putting together the seams, you fold two pieces together like this, and then you can kind of use this, if I can get them apart. These are super strong magnets. Then you can kind of use the magnet to hold together those two pieces while you're sewing. So this is really handy, and I do use this all the time for my English paper piecing. If you're curious and want to see the rest of this little teaser, check out my craft podcast because I show you the whole thing and all the information about that there. So definitely check that out. But this is basically what they look like. They've got these really strong magnets on the back, and then here's the backing like so. And so you can just, bam, clip them together, and they'll hold together really thick materials. They've got a pretty good grip to them, and so super helpful. The only thing you want to be aware of, and I used these to hold some vinyl on a bag that I was sewing. Unfortunately, when I got to my faceplate, the magnetic was close enough to my faceplate that it actually caught on my machine. Now and it wasn't even my faceplate, it was my machine, because I have a Juki TL2000, and the machine itself is metal. And so a lot of machines out there are plastic these days, and I think these would probably work okay on those, but as soon as it hit that metal on my machine, it stuck right to my machine, and I was like, okay, well, that's not gonna work for me. So I think they are handy depending on what kind of machine you have, but for the most part, I use these for my English paper piecing. So this is a super cute product, and I really love it, and they retail for $7.98. Our next product are the Snippet Stitch 3.5-inch scissors. These retail for $4.98. And it says, no need to get snippy about seam ripping. The Snippet Stitch scissors by Tooltron has a notched blade that easily slides under the stitches and holds them securely for quick and precise cuts. It's especially helpful for tight stitches and fine thread. So that's interesting. I haven't had a chance to try these out or use them. And you can definitely see that little curved blade there. So very interesting. I'll have to give these a try. The next thing in our pattern, I think this is so cute, is the Leaves Quilt pattern. This is exclusively for Sew Sampler Box by Fat Quarter Shop, and it says this quilt will leave you smiling. Rows of tumbling leaves are a sure sign that spring is in the air, and the exclusive petite joy in the journey can help you capture that vernal vibe. That would be the name of the fabric. It says the leaf pattern contains a bonus size option, so you can decide how you want your quilt garden to grow. The pattern itself retails for $9.98. And it looks like they have a finishing kit available on the Fat Quarter Shop website. But look how cute that is. It's absolutely adorable. I love the blue border, and then it has that cute brown for the binding. And then on the back for that mini size, you just need one of the Riley Blake roly-polies and then some extra fabric for your backing and that border. That mini looks like it's 48.5 inches. And then they have a larger one that I think it says 92.5, wow, where you need obviously another full-size jelly roll, roly-poly, and then your extra fabric. So that's really cute. The leaf is probably one of my favorite blocks to make. It's a super simple and easy traditional quilt block, and I just feel like there's a lot of things you can do with it, so it's really cute, and I love this layout. That's adorable. The inside of the pattern is full color, definitely beginner friendly, so I think this would be a really fun quilt to make. And then our last thing in our box is, of course, the fabric, Petite Joy in the Journey 2.5-inch roly-poly by Danny Mogstad for Riley Blake Designs. And it says, there's nothing like hitting the open road for this next quilty adventure. The Joy in the Journey is a colorful camping theme lined, and this exclusive 18-piece roly-poly is full of modern summer hues that will make you a glampy camper. It includes 18 2.5-inch by width of fabric strips, and at retail value is $16.98. And isn't that adorable? This kind of main print in here is super cute. And I'll show you the picture on the thing because I think you can kind of see it a little bit better, but it's just a really cute fun line. So that's everything that came in the May 2021 box. I did add it all up for you, and $50.30 is the total value for the box. The boxes are $24.95 a month, and so I think that's a pretty good value. I've seen their boxes anywhere from about 45-ish to up to about 65-ish, so that's somewhere right in the middle, and they just kind of vary every month, but so far I've been pretty satisfied with my Sew Sampler boxes, so I think they're a great box. They're one of the less expensive boxes out there. I think they do have a waiting list, but it kind of depends on when you're watching this video, so get on their waiting list because people drop on and off all of the time. So as far as favorite products go, I'm going to go with the fabric and pattern because I think they're adorable, and these Sew Tights because these are one of my most frequently used products in my sewing room now. I really love these, but I've also been doing more EPP, English paper piecing, so that's probably why. So as a surprise, I'm going to give away the entire contents of this month's box to one of you, so leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite product was from this month's box. I'll pick one of you winners and ship all these fun products out to you. Now the only thing I'm not going to include in the box is that monthly pattern block, block number 2, because it's only one of the blocks. I like to save up all of those block patterns until I get them all plus the finishing kit, and then I'll bundle that up and give that away at the end once I've got all 12 of my blocks. I think if I just give you one of the blocks now, it would be kind of like, I mean, I guess you could make a whole quilt with that, but I think it'll be better to collect all of the blocks and then send that out as a gift at the end. So make sure you leave a comment below to enter that giveaway. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like it, you know, leave a comment, whatever, just so that I know to keep making these fun videos for you. Thanks so much for joining me for today, and I will see you next time. The next thing, oh, come on, focus. This is what it actually looks like up close. If I can get my camera to focus, there we go. Isn't that cute? So it says the joy in the journey in this exclusive 18-piece roly-poly is your I can't talk. As a surprise for you guys, I'm actually going to give away the entire contents of this month's box to one of you. So leave me a comment in the, so that's everything that came in the,